Our Chalet collection of patio furniture covers and grill covers is a great way to preserve and protect your outdoor space at a great value. With over 23 different products in this lineup, you can be sure you'll find the right cover to fit your needs. Each product in the Chalet collection is designed standard with heavyweight, water-resistant fabric, which provides a barrier from the elements. Fabric tensioning ties to give you a snug fit on all your patio furniture and grill products. Anti-UV fabric treatment to provide resistance against harmful UV rays. And each product comes standard with a 1-year warranty against normal weather-related wear and tear and UV exposure. Neutral khaki color, designed to match a majority of home exterior colors. So when you're done covering your patio and grill collections, not only will you have a well-protected investment, but they'll also look great when not being used in the off-season. You can see the entire lineup of modern leisure covers at modern-leisure.com. Modern leisure patio furniture and grill covers, safeguarding your leisure lifestyle.